Hello children. Today let's learn the summary of the lesson, the fun they had. This is a lesson wherein Margie, a girl, writes in her diary on 17th May 2017 that Tommy found a real book. That means this entire story is in the future, 2157. Both Tommy and Margie were shocked to see a real book, but because they were not used to the real books. And Margie remembered her grandfather telling him regarding his grandfather that all the stories were printed on paper. And as they were trying to turn the pages of that book, it was yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means it was in a very delicate condition, and it was all into a condition wherein they could not turn it very quickly because it had been kept on the loft for a long time. It was very much strange for them to see the words standing still as they were, because they were used to the moving words on the screen, and here the print on paper stood as it is. It was very strange for them. And Tommy said that after reading the big book was of no use, whereas their mechanical teacher or their television screen had millions of books in them, and it could be used for a very long period of time, whereas these books with print on paper, they might have been throwing. That is what Tommy says. And Margie also says, yes, even her mechanical teacher or the television screen has so many books, the content of so many books in it, that it can be used for a long period of time. Margie was just 11 years old and Tommy was 13 years old. That means he was elder to her. And she asked him where he had found the book, and he says that he found it in the loft, in the attic. Attic means the part where we store all the unwanted things or the things which we require only on occasions, that we put on the loft. Loft is called the sajja in our house. Yeah, and then she asked what the book is written about, what is written in the book, and he says that it is about school. And Margie was very much shocked because she could not imagine anyone writing about school, because she hated school. Why did she hate school? It was because her school was not the school which we have. Her school was an extension in her own house, a room in which she had a mechanical teacher and a county inspector to take care of her academics. She was supposed to read the content that was taught by the mechanical teacher, write the test and put that in the slot allotted for homeworks or the tests and assignments, and the mechanical teacher corrected them and gave her the marks. So she did not know the type of school we have. So she was wondering why anyone would ever write about school. Moreover, she was getting very less marks in geography, and she thought that she would get a holiday like Tommy, because Tommy's mechanical teacher was out of order. His history section, that is the history content in his mechanical teacher, had blanked out. Blanked out means disappeared, and Tommy got holidays for some time till that mechanical teacher was set right. So Margie thought that because her geography sector was also very much speed, and she was getting very less marks, and her mother had called the county teacher to look into the machine, she thought that she too would get holiday like Tommy, but unfortunately she didn't get. County inspector set right the mechanical teacher quickly, and it was again into work, and then she had to write the tests, and then the mechanical teacher was set to 10 years average level, because Margie is 11. That level, that is the teacher, that is the mechanical teacher, is set according to the age group of the child who is learning, so that the test is given appropriately. Actually, the mechanical teacher has gone gone to above age level, maybe 12 years age, 13 years level content was given on the screen, and Margie could not understand because she was just 10 or 11 years old. That is why she was scoring very less marks. That is what the county inspector said, and everything was all right again. Now coming back to the same scene where Tommy and Margie were with the book, and now Margie just says, why would anyone write about a school, because it's so boring, it's all alone. And then she had been hoping, then she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? And Tommy said to her that it was not the type of school that they had. It was a different type of school. And what kind of school was it? Then he said that they did not have a mechanical teacher, they had a human teacher to teach. And Margie was wondering, how can a human be so intelligent and wise enough to teach? How can a human have that much of knowledge? And Tommy says his father knows better than anyone, or better than him, or he says that he is capable of teaching him. He is just like a mechanical teacher. He has so much of content filled in his brain. And then Margie says that, and Tommy explains that all the children of the same age group gathered in a special building called the school, and they all learned the same thing. And Margie was wondering how could that happen, because in her days each one is given a different mechanical teacher, each one has a syllabus according to the tuning, how you tune the machine, that way the syllabus is there. And she says that her mother always said that each child should be taught differently. And Tommy says that that did not happen in the previous days. All of them learned the same thing, and whenever one got a doubt on any concept, they would ask the other one and get clarified. So that was the community living that they had, that was the cooperation that they had, mutual understanding they had, the fun they had, the bonding they had, the human relations that they had. And as they were speaking, Margie's mother called her as the time was up for classes, and even Tommy's time was up for the classes. And then Margie asked Tommy if she could read the book once again, and he said maybe, nonchalantly, means in a very dominating way, I only found the book, it belongs to me, maybe I will give a chance to you, and he goes away. And Margie went into her schoolroom. The schoolroom is nothing but a room beside her bedroom, that is in her own house. And she was just thinking of those olden days when all the children gathered, how they might have had a lot of fun, how a human teacher would have taught them, and how much fun they would have had. All those things she was thinking, and how the timing would have been, because for her mother says that same timing should be there. So it's not the same with everyone. For her mother says that at the same timing you should always study. Maybe in the school it would have been that they had some fun time, they had some time to joke, and all those things she was thinking about her grandfather's grandfather. And then how they would have played, shouted in the schoolyard, and sitting together, gossiping, all those things she was thinking about. And she was even wondering how human teachers would have been teaching them. All those imaginations flashed in her mind, and the mechanical teacher was already ready, flashing on the screen, and it was teaching her arithmetics, and she was completely into the world of the olden days where she was imagining the fun they had. Actually, she was longing for the fun they had, the human fun, the way each one shared their feelings and emotions with each other, the knowledge with each other. She was longing for that fun. Hope you all understood the summary of this lesson. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching, and please comment in the comment box below. And if at all this summary was useful to you, please click the like button. Thank you and have a blessed day.